So before starting this type called monthly method, called monthly types, so what we can do, we can just first let me just tell you how to solve the simple question based on this. For example, the question is a sum of rupees to 2500 is invested at the rate of 20% per annum compounded interest for 2 years. Find CI amount in this. So I'm just giving you a basic knowledge about the ratio method from which we can find easily CI of any question. So in ratio method, what we used to do, so I learned this from Aditya sir, so that's why I'm telling you. So what we used to do, we just take the rate. For example, here the rate is 20%, so 20% means 1 upon 5. So just write P and then A. This is principal and this is amount. So it increases. So from 5 it becomes 6. 5 it becomes 6. And here the time period is 2 years, as you can see. So we can squaring out these numbers. So what we get 5 square is 225 and 6 square is 36. Simple. So here we have principal and here we have amount. And CI, as you know, CI equals to P minus A, which is when we subtract both of these, we get CI. So CI is subtraction of both of this, means P and A. CI. So first let us find CI. So here we have principal is 2500, that is given, and we have find principal as 25. So now let us find amount. If question asks you about amount, so you can easily multiply 36. So here you got amount. If question asks CI, then you can easily find out. 25 is given, 2500, P is given, P is 25, which is already given, and now we have to find CI, which is easily the difference of P and A, means 25 minus 36, which is 11. So this is, we got this, and from here we got this. Simple. So this is just basic. Now let's move on to the monthly method, means types of questions based on monthly. So before starting this, you have to learn this thing, this, which is if it asks you about normal R, means annually, so it goes like this: rate and then time, means rate is R and time is T. This is for an annual simple year. But when it asks you half yearly, so what you can do is, in this type of series, what you can do, you just have to divide it by 2 and multiply it by 2. You have to learn this table, so that you can easily go through the question, whatever the question is coming. So for quarterly, so in quarterly, we know quarter means 1/4 part, so we can easily, we have to divide it by 4, and here we have to multiply it by 4. This is very simple thing, and it goes like this in same way. It goes like same way in every question. If it asks you about 6 month, 6 monthly, 7 monthly, 8 monthly, this same things will goes like this: R divided by that month, that number of month, for example, whatever it is, then time multiplied by that number, that jo bhi hoga, that. Okay, so let us move on to the question.